Hey everybody, Corey Harrington here from CoreyHarrington.com and also CreativeRealEstateMadeEasy.com. I'm answering Yahoo questions and I'm reading this for the very first time right now. The question is, should I buy a house in a slumped market? And my answer is yeah. But the specifics of the question are, I am looking to relocate to a new city. The house that I buy will be my primary residence. The market in this new city is currently feeling the housing slump in a big way, which is great for me, but does that mean that I shouldn't buy there? I am just confused about how this works. If work will be a long-term primary residence, am I safe to make such a big move? Any real estate aficionados out there? Okay, I think I understand the question. I'm going to go question by question here. I'm looking to relocate to a new city. Okay, so this person is going to move to a new city and they want to buy a house as a primary residence. In any market, in all conditions, you should buy your residence rather than rent. I rent properties out to people and they're permanent residents. They will spend 20 years paying off my mortgage for me and give me positive cash flow every month. That's great to have, but you really should want to go into home ownership. So I'm not one to judge, and I love my tenants because they give me cash flow. But it's really in your best interest to own something. So it doesn't matter when you buy the property. It does not matter because it's yours. It's not an investment property. It is an expense. It's your primary residence. If you're going to spend $1,400 a month or $2,000 a month or whatever it is in an apartment or a house that someone else owns, why not spend that same amount of money on a property that you're going to have free and clear in 30 years? So it makes perfect sense. Any market, anytime. Okay, the market is in a new city which is currently feeling a housing slump in a big way, which is great for me, but does that mean that I shouldn't buy there? No, absolutely. Answering the question again, yes, you should buy there in a slumped market. You're buying it at a discount right now. Even if it goes down a little bit more over the period of a year or two, or 3 or 4, what does it matter? If you plan on living there for a period of time, say 10 years from now, your value in your property will go up. It's just supply and demand. So absolutely, buy it in the slump. I am just confused about how this whole thing works. This will be a long-term primary residence. Is it safe to make such a big move? Yeah, so just recapping everything, absolutely. In a slumped market right now, especially at this stage of the market, it's best to buy. You're buying low, and then in the future you can sell high. But it doesn't matter the value of the property after you purchase it. At this point in time, it is your primary residence. It is an expense. It is not a profit. It is not an investment property. It is your primary residence, and you may as well spend the money now and go towards principal reduction and ultimately owning your home over a 30-year period. I hope this helped. This is Corey Harrington with Creative Real Estate Made Easy and CoreyHarrington.com. You can visit me over there, blog. There's also a phone number you can dial me at 210-682-8937. Hopefully this was helpful.